Hello there, this is a quick demonstration of the live traffic and weather dashboard which has been developed for the IoT project. And this dashboard collects information about traffic volumes automatically by machine learning and collects weather information. And so the reason for doing this is the initial hypothesis was that it's possible that the number of people going out in their vehicles would vary depending on the weather. The initial hypothesis was that in bad weather, fewer people go out, and there'll be less traffic, while in good weather, perhaps there'll be more traffic. And so to do that, here is a system which displays the information collected by a program that saves temperature, weather information, and vehicle traffic information to a database and displays it all over here. So a bit about the vehicle identification algorithm. So just a quick look at the source first. The video source over here, it comes from YouTube, which you can see over here. It's a YouTube live stream, and it's piped over to over here such that it can be analyzed frame by frame. And the temperature and weather data is scraped from Wonderground, which is a weather aggregation site. And so the backend over here for video analysis is a state-of-the-art object detection algorithm called Yolo, which in long form is you only look once, and it can identify objects in almost real time. So it's been pre-trained to identify cars, buses, trucks, motorbikes, and people. So what it does is every time a vehicle passes the line over here drawn across screen, it is counted depending, and the exact vehicle type is added to the list. So this work extends the work by Nicholas Kaja, who created a simpler system which used only a recorded video. Well, I've extended this to use a live video feed and with all the database backend support. And so a brief look at the data itself. And up here on top we have the Tokyo traffic data. So this is in so we have a bit of periodicity here. At the start of the day we have very little traffic. It goes back up and then goes back down and up and down. And this we have about 8 days of data here. And then the rest of the data is temperature, wind speed, wind gust, and weather condition, which is discrete. So we find that there is some periodicity in temperature, and that can be attributed to the time of day. At the start of the day you have at night it's colder, while in the day it's warmer. There's not much pattern in wind speed, wind gusts, or even weather condition. Although it must be mentioned that here there were only 4 different weather conditions recorded during this time period. That was fair, mostly cloudy, windy, and fair windy, which is not the extreme weather which I had expected. So this dashboard is quite useful because we can look at the data pretty much instantly and do a quick analysis of the patterns on the dashboard. So that is the quick overview of the dashboard. Thank you.